Alright guys, it's your boy TajaiOnRoad, and actually today we're gonna be in the house. We're not going anywhere, and we're just gonna be staying right here for the whole day. Come on, bro. I know you didn't believe that. We're going outside. Come, how could we not? How could sun is shining? In the house today? Are you crazy? It's like 25 degrees out here. That's like, I don't know, 75 something. I don't know, 80. I don't know, you Fahrenheit users in the States. I do not know. Anyways, I'm at Han's house, like I said. We're about to go link up with our homegirls right now, some of our other friends, and have like a little chill, like beach day, barbecue vibes, all of that good stuff. So I was like, of course I'm gonna bring the camera out, hop in the whip, bring you guys along with me. We in the Charger today, not the Tessie. The Tessie has been doing what it's supposed to be doing since the moment I got it. I can't really complain in that department, so I'm blessed. Han's just walking out right now. It's hot, bro. We've had 1 week of spring. We had 1 week of spring and then jumped into summer. There was nothing in between. The sun is shining. We're just in the shade right now. No cap. I was saying that my levels of sociopath are raising. So I could look how high I can hold the camera now. No cap. You know, it's just all up in my face. Like, who's looking at me? It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter. I'm looking at me.
It's just,
now we're gallivanting because
let me just go up on the board.
It is cool. It's fucking cool. We're out here. Why like it's hot? It's really, really not.
It's not hot.
At fucking all.
Not hot at all.
You gotta remove it like it's hot. It's not. I can't even fucking light this spliff without going like this. I mean, there's no drugs out here. Don't do drugs, kids.
Yo, the way this white man was just like smiling in my face for no reason just a second ago, it's fucking with me.
Yeah,
of course.
Of course.
Yo, it's a salty. And then you said something to salty.
Either way, it's Saturday. You know what? Yeah.
You get shot before the end. No.
Whoa.
I beg your pardon. I beg your pardon.
What did you say? Okay, fix my fucking barbecue. That's what you're fucking losers. Look at them. Like, what the hell's going on? I'm like scared right now.
Wow, we're actually defeated. That's so whack. Like, aren't you guys embarrassed you don't know how to start a barbecue?
Me personally? I'm not embarrassed.
I did ask him. He said he wanted to do it.
Take 2 shots and get the back, but that's
Yeah, I'll just try.
My mistake. One thing I have documented observing these Negroes.
What?
All the niggas who smoke never have enough materials to smoke.
First of all,
papers or lighters, it's never on deck.
I have a lighter, maybe not grab
It's
up.
one or the other. There's
always
missing
have
one.
So you're canceled.
You know,
First of all, I bring
you don't got grab up? You don't got
they're missing grab
all,
up, they're
I
missing
bring-
the lighter, or they're missing the papes.
Where's your cup for your liquor? Where's your cheese?
Straight out the Mako.
What do you mean? He's an alcoholic. He's drinking it straight.
Only way to do it.
Anyways, listen, this is facts right here. I'm gonna tell you facts. I roll my 1-2 split before I come to the party. I might be missing like a 1-2 split. Don't do that to me.
1-2 split. Woo, we got some ass in the camera. Are we in Miami? Are we in Miami?
We're not in Miami. We're in fact not in Miami.
We're actually at Woodbine Bubblecott.
We're very much nowhere. We're very much not.
We're actually in Woodbine Beach. The water is so disgusting. You can't even do
You can't even swim. No one's in the water.
No one. You're not allowed.
We just happen to be by sand.
Hi guys, my name is Mariah Carey, and I'm here with my fans.
Oh, your fans? First of all, glad to see you. Look at the ladies,
Hey, look at me. Why is she smiling like no one's here to see you? Why are you?
Hi guys.
Every moment you're always gonna be
So I invited everyone to my barbecue. It's my birthday.
say happy birthday to me? Happy birthday, KK.
I don't even know her real name. I just know her initials.
What's my initials? What's my initials?
I don't even know your initials. I just know her as KK. I know nothing.
I have no lashes on. Let me show you guys around. Boring. Next. He's alright. He's alright. This is my backup. Security guard. My security guards. My security guards.
Yo, remember your man said it? Her man wanna be like.
Break up after that.
Her man was like, yo. Her man was like, yo. Her man was like, yo. I'll come here on. I see you on TikTok twerking for next man. Cause I was this is me.
For work? And you never asked me.
Yeah, you were.
That wasn't me though.
That was her though in the pink, and we were matching the shit. She can't handle the energy. They wanna always this.
Hey, dancing! It is a primal art form used in ancient times to express yourself with the body.
So we need to go to Miami, nigga. I've been working for 2 months.
What do you do for money?
I pray.
It's one of those ones.
I'm praying God provides.
So how do you have it? So basically, I'm his ex-girlfriend.
Entrepreneur.
I broke up with him.
My best friend.
You broke up with me?
Yeah.
What did I do?
Melanin niggas.
What did I do to get broken up
He
with?
messaged Chelsea on the side.
She's killing me.
Messaged Chelsea on the side.
Yeah.
I messaged Chelsea first and she ignored me.
What?
What?
So I'm the side bitch?
What?
So no one in this
I'm the only single nigga
no
in
one in
here.
this gang is allowed to have relationships.
I'm the only single nigga in here for real. He's lying! I have no gal.
Multiple gal.
Let him do him.
Whoa!
Tasha's a roster of gal.
That's not a gal.
Okay, I don't have no gal.
That's not a gal. So we agree I don't have no shorty. Yo, are you gonna stay with her if she cheats?
Fam, if Nikki cheats on me, I'm fucking gone.
What do you think?
Bro, that's not real love.
Yo, one for one, the time to have fun.
This pussy's only girls.
Yo, listen, I said, hey.
This pussy's for women.
Hey.
And everything else that falls in between. Oh my God. First of all, you better pipe down because I'm working on my life. Okay, I'm having a shot. I'm in a relationship that's going through things, okay? Yeah, I'd rather be out here going through.
Yo, in this friend group, there's bare liars. Me and Nikki are working things out. You know what I'm saying? We're cool, you know what I'm saying? She's single, I'm single. We're living right now. We're glowing.
Chelsea.
What do you guys think?
Are we a good couple?
In the comments.
Wait, this guy has a YouTube channel? Oh my God, I'm the YouTube famous. I'm about to make mine.
No cap. This nigga better post this. Look at him. He's not gonna post it.
Really?
But he's gonna post it. He has to.
Okay, I need to know.
Yo, listen. Me and Nikki are working things out. Memes can't get over none of her ex-mans. She likes to recycle niggas. She likes to recycle niggas. Look at her, right?
Recycle?
Right? This girl right here, her name's KK. She has a man. She has a man. She has a man. If she dashes my Crocs at my own body, it's fucking crazy that she dashed my own Crocs at my body. You're wicked. Anyways, she has a man. She has a man. She wanna go out like she doesn't have a man. It's okay. Memes is obsessed with her ex-man. It's disgusting. Tajai has a whole fucking roster.
You have a baby on the way, motherfucker. You two, let's tell the truth. Listen, he has a baby coming, and guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Guess what? Don't tell me you have no fucking shot. Guess what? Guess what?
Yo, if I had a baby,
she's a tree. She's a tree.
I'm already carrying them. Who's that? Big KR.
See your financial age.
Literally screaming our faces off. We've been screaming our faces off ignorantly as fuck. Our niggas gonna lock in. Huh?
You're good with me. You can record. Yeah, you're good with me. Yeah, for sure.
Say that. Is it? Man said I got the recording rights. Yes, sir. I need that.
I pop off one day, you know, so yeah.
You know, I'm out here. You know, I appreciate that. Appreciate that.
Still.
When this video blows up, No,
JBCK, no A.
you see that? You see that? Believe.
Yo, get over here. Get over here. Get over
What are the rules? What are the rules? Let me know what the rules are.
All right.
What are the rules?
Five steamboat. If you don't rush the quarterback, don't run pussy hole. Don't run pussy hole. If no man passes line of scrimmage, fam, we can't tackle out here.
Yeah, you're right for that one. You're. Hi. We'll take that. Small game. Small game.
Yeah.
That's not lining up. Pulls on line.
Show your worth, Negroes. Oh, lock that nigga up. Ah! There's a pig!
Stupid ass nigga! Stupid ass nigga!
What the fuck?
It's a football game right now. Watch the man.
Like last year, I posted a video of her.
Homies. Unless the homie wanna walk that stroll and get that money, the homie ain't getting a damn thing. And the same goes for brothers, peeps, dudes, fellas, dunnies, comrades, whatever the niggas is calling each other nowadays.
Niggas gonna get my pick. If you don't care about the man them, bro, just support the man them right now. Let's watch me win, yo. Fuck, man. I'm about to catch you.
You literally have dirt on your titties.
Why are you doing that to him? You're fucked up. That was
what I'm trying to say about this girl.
Like it's nice.
This is actually mine, but I'm gonna let Tyro borrow it.
No, opposite, reverse. I'll actually mine. I believe you.
Why you believe him? Are you sexist?
That's crazy. It's just
So why
something
can't it
about
be
it.
real bitch shit? Why has to be real nigga shit? Because they're fucking sexist.
Yo, hold on.
I don't even.
Okay.
Square right now.
Ready.
You're bored.
You better make a touchdown with all that energy. You're just vibing over there.
Hey, don't let him catch that ball. Fourth down. Hey, fourth down.
Fucking nuts.
Fourth down.
Over it. Over it.
What's going on?
Like the nuts.
Ready, down to the hunt. One steamboat, two steamboat, three steamboat, four steamboat.
No!
Guys love football.
A nigga like me would never drop that. A nigga like me would never drop that personally. That's just me though. That was a no. I'm tight.
Right?
I'm tight.
It's not cool, man.
It's sweet. They're attracted to you.
I know.
That's like a compliment.
No, it's bugs. Come on, rich niggas. Like, do the work.
Oh, she said do the work. I would not accept that.
She's a hater.
Never that.
They join the bus, you know, every year. New and new.
You're saying that because I'm black, I'm on a bus, and I'm at the back?
Whoa. That was deep.
Whoa.
Way deeper than that. I'm more melanin than her. So I know what she's talking about. For all we know, she talks to white niggas.
Whoa.
I did.
You see?
And then after.
But you're she? You're she?
Yeah.
You're she.
Yeah.
And I'm him.
Okay.
So
I'm him. He's not even playing. He's standing up here. And I'm locking down niggas and I'm scoring.
Done the vid, because niggas are not serious.
content.
No.
It's hard. It's hard being a YouTuber.
Stop, Mia.
Go shake more ass. We got it.